Hi friends, this is Priya from Vanakkam, Germany. Due to current corona situation, many people are unable to travel to India and they could not bring homemade stuffs or important stuffs back to Germany. Few of our subscribers personally requested me to know what kind of options available to send parcel or documents from India to Germany in cheaper way. So, in this video, let me explain you how to send parcel from India to Germany via India Post. What are the things keep in our mind before sending parcel and what we need to do if the parcel stuck in customs in Germany and how to handle the custom peoples. And also, additional to this, I found an interesting startup in internet which is called Luggage Pull, through which a person can send documents or parcel in easier and cheapest and faster way. As a traveler, you can also earn some money from that. Let me explain you deep in this video. Come, let's get started. There are multiple options available to send parcel from India to Germany via Blue Dart, FedEx, Garuda, Parcel Chef, etc. I have sent parcel via India Post from India to Germany. I felt it's really simple. I will share my experience and also some tips to keep in mind before sending parcel. The very important point you need to keep in your mind before sending parcel. Like the following products are restricted one to send in parcel, which is like meat, milk products, pickles, oily stuffs or oil products and seeds. If it is a sealed product is also in this category, it's not allowed. Once you decided to send parcel via India Post, you need to pack the parcel in front of them. Please keep in mind, you don't need to pack all these stuffs in home. You need to show everything what you are sending in parcel. So in front of them pack everything so they will also know and they will reject some products like pickles, meat, whichever I told before. If in case the post officer allow you to send such kind of products in parcel, there is a high possibility your parcel may held up in Indian airport and they won't give you a parcel clearance. So in this case, your money is totally gone for the parcel, so they won't give any kind of money for it and the parcel will send back to the sender address. There are some people who would have received such kind of products in parcel and all it's based on luck. A small tip from my side, before going to post office, print your from address to address in A4 sheet and take a highlighter, scissors, sellotapes, white and brown sellotapes and the box cardboard. As soon as you booked a parcel in India, they will give you a tracking code. With help of the tracking code, you can track where the parcel is located. Normally, it takes 10 to 15 working days to reach to Germany. With help of the tracking number, you would track the parcel where it's located. But there are some cases the location would not be updated after few days, like 5 days, 7 days. So in that case, there are high possibility the parcel may held up in some custom offices. Once your parcel got stuck in custom office, normally custom officer will clear the parcel and dispatch it to the receiver address. But there are some cases they will pick the parcel randomly, like 1 out of 10 parcels, and they will stop the parcel in the customs. So in that case, they will send you a letter to your home address and in that they will mention it. You need to show the proof for the products which you send in the parcel. And also, if you're not able to come personally, the DHL will take on behalf of you and they will send the parcel to the receiver address. But in that case, we need to pay DHL service like 30 to 50 euro. It depends upon your parcel size. It's advisable if you're sending any parcels, you need to keep the bills inside the parcel. It will be very helpful if your parcel is stuck in custom office. So if you are sending any kind of household stuffs like household homemade products, powders, anything like that, you no need to send any kind of bills. If it is a dresses also, no need to send any kind of bills. But if you are sending any kind of electronic goods or any kind of gifts from the Amazon or any kind of online portals, it's very advisable to keep your bills inside the parcel. Sometimes we need to pay a custom tax. This was the information which we got from our custom officers. Normally this parcel are held up in local custom offices. I live in Ingolstadt. My parcel is held up in Ingolstadt custom office. If you are in Munich or if you are in Berlin, it will be held up in Berlin custom office or in Munich custom office. If possible, you go personally and explain these are the steps for our personal use. So in that case, you no need to pay any kind of custom tax. So everything will be in smoother way, so no need to worry about it. Now regarding medicines. Medicines are which is most essential one for some peoples in some emergency situation. If you want to send any kind of medicine from India to Germany, you need to get a special approval in Germany from Gewerbeaufsichtsamt. I made a separate video regarding the procedures and steps need to be followed for importing medicine from India to Germany. Please have a look the video, you will get a better understanding. Next one, Luggage Pool. It's a startup which was launched recently. This is an online platform where sender can rent a free luggage space of a traveler who traveled to the desired destination. The motto behind the luggage pool is, as a traveler, you earn some money and also save your travel cost. As a parcel receiver, you receive your parcel or a document in simple, easiest way and also a faster one in your hand. As a traveler, you will be thinking, how can I bring the parcel of an unknown person, or how can I trust the parcel is legitimate, there is no any kind of dangerous goods. So for this, they have two options. One is identity verification, which is normally used in Airbnb. In Airbnb, they won't rent an apartment or house just like that. So they will do a verification, right? The similar way, they are also introducing the identity verification in luggage pool. Once the sender must verify, then only they are allowed to send a parcel to the traveler. Luggage pool is providing service worldwide. To gain trust about this particular startup, you can also try in initial stages by sending documents so that you can also find how reliable it is, how easy it is. So, next option is, as a sender, you can also send the Amazon products or any kind of online products which you are ordered it in online directly delivered to the home address of the traveler. So as a traveler, they will unpack it and just verify it, there is no any harmful items or any dangerous items in it, and they can pack it for the pack it in their luggage. Due to corona situation, many people are facing difficulties to get medicines from India or any other country. I hope this luggage pool will be a very good solution for you at this moment. This is not a promotional video. I thought of sharing you the India Post parcel service, but I found this is little bit interesting for me, so I thought of sharing you. I hope I gave a very good information for you people. I will see you in next interesting video, and before that, please join in our Telegram group, Facebook page and also the Facebook group for women. You will get regular updates about Germany, and please don't forget to subscribe this Vanakkam Germany channel. I will see you in next interesting video. Until bye bye from Vanakkam Germany, Priya.